Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and locked-up joints. The FlexiSpot V6 redefines your workspace by integrating movement directly into your workflow. This isn't just another chair, it's a full-on fitness companion disguised as an ergonomic office seat. Designed to help you cycle while you work, the V6 fights fatigue with every pedal and fuels mental clarity through active sitting. Its precision-contoured cushion cradles your body, relieving pressure during long hours, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool under deadlines. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. Cool-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Baseus refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. The Chirp RPM Mini is a compact yet powerful percussion massager designed to deliver deep tissue relief and muscle recovery. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout or just need to relax, this massager uses percussive therapy to target tight muscles and alleviate tension. With its 3-speed settings, it offers versatile intensity levels, allowing you to adjust the massage to your preference for a personalized experience. The FIDA 2.0 system redefines plant care through precision monitoring and smart customization. Acting as a fitness tracker for your plants, it measures 13 essential plant health metrics, including soil moisture, light intensity, and root conditions to help you make informed decisions. Unlike traditional methods that rely on guesswork, FIDA gives you real-time data that helps prevent common issues like overwatering, poor lighting, and nutrient imbalances. In a dim-lit basement or a vibrant game room, this wall-mounted marvel draws attention with its glowing retro pixel display and arcade ambiance. This isn't your average wall art. It's the gateway to competitive play, solo challenges, and endless customization. Welcome to an electronic era where digital darts meet vintage charm. The game thrives on advanced recognition technology that tracks each toss with precision, creating fast-paced, live-action gaming. The Echo Active Buds. amzn.to earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leany PixCut S1 merges 3 essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable Waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. The Sunco's Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. Precision meets performance in this advanced thermoforming system designed to elevate industrial fabrication. Built with a robust auto-lifting bed, it delivers reliable vertical motion for consistent pressure distribution and flawless material shaping. At the core lies an industrial pump engineered for high-output vacuum performance, ensuring precise form every cycle. Integrated pre-stretch technology enhances material coverage, reducing waste while boosting mold accuracy. The amzn.to redefines audio immersion, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional versatility. The headset's dual-flow audio enables users to listen to audio from two connected devices simultaneously, enhancing multitasking without missing a beat. For those short on time, a rapid 15-minute charge delivers up to 17 hours of gameplay, making it the perfect companion for long sessions. The Ruvati Dual Tier Pro 33-inch rounded corner workstation sink is an exceptional addition to modern kitchens, combining practicality with sleek design. This two-tiered undermount sink is crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, providing superior durability and resistance to wear. Its rounded corners add a sophisticated touch, allowing for easy cleaning while maintaining a refined look. The dual-tier system enhances functionality by offering versatile spaces for both preparation and cleaning, ensuring an organized workflow. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. No bright distractions, no attention traps. The Lightphone 3 is here for those ready to reclaim their time and presence. Built for people tired of the upgrade treadmill, this device honors durability, clarity, and purpose. With a sleek metal frame, 5G connectivity, and USB-C charging, it provides what's essential without dragging you into the noise. Every element of the Lightphone 3 speaks intention. The camera is purposefully minimalist, echoing classic point-and-shoot film cameras. Fast, efficient, and portable, the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator is designed to provide rapid inflation for a variety of vehicles, including MPVs, cars, e-bikes, and motorcycles. With a powerful 150 psi capacity, it ensures that tires are inflated quickly, often in just 1 minute, making it ideal for roadside emergencies or regular maintenance. The compact, cordless design allows for easy use without the hassle of tangled cords or searching for power outlets. Turn any space into an instant cinema with the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Generation Smart Portable Projector. With a massive adjustable display ranging from 30 inches to 100 inches, this projector delivers a stunning full HD resolution enhanced by HDR, offering crisp images and vivid colors that transform walls and ceilings into vibrant entertainment hubs. Built with Gaming Hub integration, it lets you jump straight into gaming action without the need for a console, giving you access to a world of games streamed directly to your screen. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the Yoga Pod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the Yoga Pod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. The Galaxy X Cover 7 Pro offers a robust balance of durability and performance, designed for users who demand a rugged device that can withstand tough environments. It features IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing it to withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes. Additionally, it's drop-tested to survive falls from up to 1.5 meters, adhering to MIL STD 810H standards, though these don't guarantee survival in extreme conditions. In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. Built for high-demand users, this compact 8-in-1 charging station delivers relentless power and flawless control. With a massive 260-watt total output, it handles laptops, tablets, phones, wearables, and more, all at once. A PD 140-watt single output means even power-hungry devices like MacBooks charge at full speed without compromise. The charger's sleek interface features a real-time wattage display, keeping you informed with precision. No guessing, no overheating, just efficient performance. Life moves fast, and your floors should stay clean without lifting a finger. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus redefines convenience with its self-empty dock, letting you forget about dustbins for up to 7 weeks. With an upgraded 5,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just sweep. It digs deep, pulling dirt from carpet fibers and floorboard cracks with ease. Equipped with a duo roller brush, it minimizes tangles and maximizes dirt pickup, making pet hair cleanup a breeze. The Dock Orb is a powerful 12-in-1 docking station that completely transforms your workspace. With dual 4K HDMI at 60 Hz, it effortlessly supports 2 high-resolution monitors, offering unmatched visual clarity. It features a versatile array of ports, including 2 USB 3.1 ports and 3 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring quick and seamless data transfer. Health technology takes a bold step forward with a device that doesn't just track, it transforms. The Ringcon Gen 2 Smart Ring is more than a fitness tracker. It's a health companion built on precision, comfort, and innovation. Engineered in collaboration with top universities and hospitals, it offers advanced sleep apnea detection using AI. Real-time AHI readings help you understand your sleep health without bulky gear or wires. The Ginkgo Alice Mushroom Lamp combines style and practicality with its unique design and advanced features. Offering a soothing ambiance, it boasts 7 vibrant RGB color-changing modes, allowing you to set the perfect mood in any setting. The long-life battery ensures extended use, making it ideal for both everyday and occasional lighting needs. Designed with sustainability in mind, the lamp is crafted from FSC-certified wood, highlighting its eco-friendly credentials. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision gesture recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. Precision meets endurance with the Zhiyun Crane 4E, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for professionals who demand intelligent ergonomics and long-lasting performance. Engineered for efficiency, its reduced weight construction eases strain through a 25% wrist effort reduction, a 20% sling grip energy save, and a 15% dual hold fatigue drop. The modular sling grip adjusts in length and direction, catering to hours of dynamic filming without burnout. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. The Gourmet Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Gourmet ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. In a world where digital convenience meets the timeless charm of pen on paper, the Nui Sync Pen 4 steps in as a bridge between both. This smart pen writes on paper just like a traditional pen, yet instantly transfers your words and sketches to your device through the Nui's app. It captures every stroke in real time and records your creative flow as it unfolds, preserving both the end result and the thought process behind it. The Sync Pen 4 transforms your handwriting into editable digital text using OCR, supporting 73 languages. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Opus Soundbed offers an innovative way to enhance your emotional fitness. This advanced hardware is seamlessly integrated with the Opus Emotional Fitness Platform, a system designed to guide you toward personal growth and healing. With 7 channels of spatial sound and vibration, the Soundbed envelops your body in a unique, full sensory experience, delivering tailored sensations from head to toe. Whether you're seeking deep relaxation or focusing on specific areas of tension, the Soundbed offers versatility in how it supports your emotional well-being.